Hi, welcome to Pilatesology. I'm Elisa Wyatt, and we're going to do a pre-Pilates workout that's amazing for pelvic stability and really deep core strength. All right, so we're going to start out down on the mat. Go ahead and get yourselves down to the mat. And we're lying on our backs, and we're going to do hands on the stomach. First, I want you to just take a deep breath in and imagine you're expanding into the mat behind you. And then exhale all your air. Still hands on your stomach. Notice that as you breathe in, air fills up your stomach. I want you to try and make that air fill up the mat behind you. And exhale. All right, and now just let your pelvis be really heavy. So the center back of your pelvis is heavy and anchored into the mat. And you'll notice that as you let that happen, your feet might get a tiny bit lighter feeling on the mat, and your stomach might feel, your lower stomach especially, might feel a little deeper. Keep that feeling in your lower stomach. You're really pulling it in, and imagine you're pulling your backbones away from each other. Now keep that. Imagine somebody could poke you. In fact, you might want to even poke yourself with your hands. Make sure that everything is tight and strong. And then just bring your arms by your sides and try not to change anything as you float one leg away from the floor. And then slowly, I'm talking very slow, put that foot back down on the floor. And if you're not sure whether or not you're losing your abdominal connection, put one hand on top of your belly as you float your other leg up. And notice, is everything still working? Is it still feeling strong under there? And put that other foot back down. And we're going to do that one more time. Float one leg up and put it back down. And float the other leg up and put it back down. Okay, I'm increasing the difficulty here. Keep your lower abs nice and deep and try and curl your upper body off the mat, looking out beyond your knees. And then hold that position with your abs deep and strong. Float both legs off the mat and float both legs back down. You're still lengthening your spine, so you're reaching tall through the crown of your head, through the lower back bones, and slowly put your feet back down. If your neck starts to get tired, go ahead and put your head back down. And one more time, lift the feet and lower the feet. Rest your neck for a second. And if it's feeling good, you can lift your head back up again. If not, you just leave it down. Pull your stomach in, lift both legs up, take the arms to the ceiling, and we're going to march one leg away from us, touching the mat as the opposite arm reaches away, and bring it back center. Opposite arm and leg reach away, and they come center. Reach away with the opposites, and center. Two more, reach, and center. Continue and put your head down if you need it, and center, and away. Is your stomach still strong? Could someone step on you right now and you wouldn't get hurt? And last time, and center. Whew, I know I'm feeling that. I hope you are too. Okay, and then from there, we're just gonna bring our feet right to the mat, and we're gonna lift up into a shoulder bridge position. So pressing the floor away with your feet, I want you to curl the bottom of your pelvis towards the ceiling. And when you do that, when you're tipping the bottom of your pelvis towards the ceiling, you'll notice your bottom muscles start working harder. Go ahead and press your head gently into the mat from there as well. And then we're going to roll down, upper back, middle back, lower back, hips to the floor. And here we go again. Lift your hips up off the mat and hold this position and just try to rotate the bottom of your pelvis towards the ceiling. So you're just really turning your pelvis towards the ceiling and hold it. Your bottom is working hard. And then we roll all the way back down. All right, from here, we're gonna turn onto our sides. We're gonna use those muscles in a moment, sitting on a chair. So any kind of chair that you have, anything that you can sit on, I'm gonna sit on this little thing here. And from there, I just want your feet to be nice and firm on the ground and your pelvis on the chair nice and steady. So hold one leg, or leave one foot on the floor and pick the other leg up, and try not to disturb your pelvis when you do that. We're going to switch legs. So one leg comes up. You might notice it's easier to do one side without moving everything around than the other. What's up with that? Well, our legs and our arms are both, we use one more differently than we do the other. So you have a dominant arm, you probably have a dominant leg. Okay, so now we're just going to try and tap both legs without getting any shorter and without wiggling our pelvis. So now our legs are moving separately from our pelvis. We're holding ourselves steady, and that is pelvic stability. Cool, right? Okay, hold it. Now you're gonna lift your right leg up. Challenge, extend it out, hold it. 2, 3, keep getting taller. 4, bend it and put it down. Pick the other leg up and extend it out and hold it. 2, 3, 4, bend it and put it down. One more time. Notice which side was easier. This is my easy side. It's really easy to stand up tall on this side. What's up with that? Bend it and put it down. And now this is my hard side. Oh, I gotta stay tall. Extend it out, hold it. 2, 3, 4, bend it and put it down. All right, guys, we're gonna stand up without any hands. You've got this. Lean a little bit forward, put weight into your feet, push with your feet, and use both sides evenly to stand up. All right, that is a quick workout for pelvic stability, pre-Pilates for deep core and strong abs. Hope you loved it. I'll see you again soon. Don't forget to click like and subscribe, and if you loved this video, head on over to pilatesology.com where we have complete Pilates programs and over 2,000 videos just like this one.